First we will test with wood. Next we will try stone. Finally, we will use metal. Please subscribe and I will make more videos like this. Here are the stats in case anyone was wondering.